Yeah. Yeah, they talk about what they like, but they never really see what they want. And I just talk about the truth, man. Everybody falling in love, but you know what? Last name got me fucked up, cause you know we're more Hmong and G, but you know I got monkey guy yelling on. Cause I boy y'all feel it, yeah. Bit touch it or be loose saying yeah, this shit chat, so be the hobby, and she about them, hey. Bitch, she saying that she that she good highly got lot to ming. Be the hot your low yin chi king, that better not lose saying, yeah, she bullshit down. Hamble the yellow chi don't, they both are bitch only mong, be the hot be your mong mika, eh. But you thought be the hot bits okay, being town new mood and all. Both tradition, that is strongly sick, cause you know that's what's going on. Being popping in Chitua, be the hot to link so to hide there, your best attack, be not do you, bitch, you mean you. This shit patch down with the copy, only no big dog, look, be more shy law. You the less attack, my little with the hobby in hide there. Keep it on the DL, cause you know love is for real. If I love you and I show you, then this is how it goes. Love, hold it down, open minded. People never really see what's going on, cause you know there's both sides to a story. But I'm saying, yeah. Giờ sinh dùng ý giả lo chỉ bơ lý cha vì đó khó số chính để cho kia luôn đây chỉ mà lý sĩ shop ok lỡ hai lý cha lo rất xa vì đó họ ư cho kia lưu yên mua tranh chỉ có bỏ cú có yêu yên tranh vì đó họ cứ yên hai tiệm ư cho kia lưu yên mua tranh in lo cha so you know just keep on the DL they don't even need to know yeah